What's up, guys? YuGiOh KG here, and I'm bringing you another booster box opening of the latest booster box, Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. It's all sealed up, as you can tell by the Konami seals. I would have actually done this booster box opening sooner, maybe Friday when it first came out, legit came out, but my locals are douchewads, and they did not want to give any booster boxes out to the public before they got to them themselves and their close friends. So yeah, my locals are douchewads, and that's why I didn't get it until today. I had to get it on eBay because they were being pricks about it, but it's all said and done. I got my box, I'm happy now. Main thing I want out of this box, Draco Sack, of course, Spellbook of Judgment, a Dolce Hoot Cake, Harpie Channeler, and I think that's about it. I think that's all I want. The Harpie stuff, like Hysteric Sign, the Dolce Hoot Cake, I do want all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's open this up. And let's see, there we go. So I got one box, and my brother has his own box, but he's not here to open it right now, but I will have to record that later. See what we get. Alright, this feels awesome. I love booster box openings. Like, they're so awesome. Okay. Left side, please. Let's get this underway. Hopefully I can get something good. If I can get this open. Oh, it's all like confuddled. Okay, there we go. Oops. Do a barrel roll, rare. Do a barrel roll. That's so funny. When I saw that, oh look, one of the little baby dragons. That's what I'm looking for too. Them elemental dragons. So we got the baby. I'll look for that later. So first rare, do a barrel. Oh my god, these packs are really weird to open. Okay. Tempest, Dragon Ruler of Storms. Awesome. For them E-Dragons, I'm looking for them, guys. I don't know. I kind of wanted to do an Elemental Dragon deck, but I don't know. I'm not a real big fan of it. It's not something I'm interested in making. Oh, we got the Rectin Dragon Ruler of Pebbles. Number 69, Heraldry Crest. 69. Yes! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Harpie Channeler Ultimates. Nice. That's what I'm talking about right here. Damn, I really wanted a Harpie Channeler, but getting it as an ultimate, that is nice right there. Wow. That's nice. Very, very nice. Saw it on eBay, I was like, man, that thing's like $25. It'd be cool to pull an ultimate of my own. I mean, hell, I would have settled for an ultra, I don't care. Pulling an ultimate Harpie Channeler, awesome. One down, two to go. Alright. Ice Beast Zero Fine, and Evil Swarm Kirkion? Isn't that what Evil Swarms need? Like Kirkion? I don't know, they need that, I think. Super rare Kirkion. Kakarikala. I have no idea how to say that. I can tell this box is going to be awesome already. I'm definitely getting that Draco Sack watch. You watch. I called it. Big Whale rare. I'm really happy with that Harpie Channeler. Like, that is awesome right there. It made my day. Go Gigas rare. Ooh, a Chaos Ixies Dark Fairy Cheer Girl. Rare. It's kind of cool looking, actually. It's pretty tight looking. Oh, another baby dragon. Redox, Dragon Ruler of Boulders. Ooh, and a Mecha Phantom Beast Hamstrat. Ultra! Mecha Phantom Beast. I need a Dracosac plus. Like, I actually need it. I don't want it. Ah, get out of here, little piece. I don't want it for money value. I legit need it badly. XYZ Revenge and a Gurgia Gear Super. No. I want a Madolche Hoot Cake Super, please. Like, that's what I legit want. Okay, we got 3 packs on the left. Why are these packs opening up so weird? They're the weirdest little things ever. Yes! Harpie's Pet Phantasmal Dragon Rare. I was looking for that, actually. Awesome. Best box ever. Getting that Dracosac or Spellbook Judgment. Super best box ever. Trifortisops or whatever's. Oh man, you know what we need? We need a Madolche Hoot Cake. That's what we need. We need a Madolche Hoot Cake. Hoot Cake is in this, I bet you. We need that and a Dracosac. Okay, guys? Okay. Number 69, Heraldry Crest Rare. See, look, Hoot Cake. This is Hoot Cake. Don't mind the name. Nah, JK. Alright, the right side. Altitude Knight. Hysteric Size Super, yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Whoa, this box is just so awesome. I have so much bad luck with boxes in the past. Hint, hint, Extreme Victory. Oh my god. This box is really awesome. I know people are thinking like, oh, why do you get so excited for Harpie cards? Because I'm building a Harpie deck, so I kind of need them. I was really hoping for that Hysteric Sign too. I need 2 more now. Mecha Phantom Beast, Tether Wolf. Oh my god, that scared me. That gave me a heart attack. I thought it was Dracosac coming up. I was like, oh man, if that's Dracosac, I'm gonna freaking have a heart attack. This is the best box ever so far. No, let me open. I bet you Dracosac's in here. It's getting hard to open. Man, people are gonna watch this and be like, oh my gosh, why should you talk about Dracosac so much? Jeez. What, do you want to marry the card? No, but it's gorgeous, and I love it. Fairy Cheer Girl Rare. Fairy Cheer Girl and the Chaos one. We didn't get our secret yet, so I'm still hoping. And I really would like a Madolche Hoot Cake Plus. See, that's the awesome thing about my brother getting a box too, because if he pulls a Hoot Cake, oh yeah, that stuff is mine. Or a Channeler, Hysteric Party, whatever's. That stuff is all mine. Brotherhood of the Firefist Rhino. God, watch our secret rare be like freaking Brotherhood of the Firefist Coyote or something. Something I don't need. Brotherhood of the Firefist Buffalo. Up! Oh my god. I like how I just said that too. Oh, watch your freaking secret rare be Brotherhood of the Firefist Coyote, and look who it is. God damn it. Oh man, this is why I shouldn't say anything like that. Great, now I'm depressed. Well, no, not really, because I got that Channeler and Hysteric Party and the Phantasmal Dragon. So I'm not actually depressed about that. I think getting that Channeler made me really, really happy. Altitude Knight and Constellar Sombre. Super. I really would like a Madolche Hoot Cake, please. Please. That would make me, like, 10 times better. It'll make it like 10 times better if I get all that. XYZ Revenge. God, so many Fire Fists. I don't know what to do with all of them. These packs are so freaking ridiculous to open. A Battle and Boxer YuGiOh and a Gauntlet Launcher Ultra. Gauntlet Launcher? What? I didn't know he came in this set. Huh. I think I was legit looking for that from our Harpie deck too. What? Wheel of Prophecy rare. Alright, we got 3 packs counting this. God, it makes me so sad that we got Coyote. I'm really upset now. I'm like, I don't want that. McFanabee's Tetherwolf. I really was not. And then as soon as I said it, we pulled it. I'm so horrible at these boxes. I call hacks. Rhino. Fire Formation. YuGiOh Super. Damn it, that had to be my Super too. You Fire Fists are plaguing me. Last pack, nothing special, right? You Fire Fist dweebs are plaguing me. I can't get my good Dolce Hoot Cake because of you guys. Fairy Cheer Girl rare. And that's about it. Let's go over our wonderful, awesome, almost awesome stuff. Fire Formation, Goku, Gauntlet Launcher Ultra, Constellar Sombre, Coyote, Hysteric Sign, Gurgia Gear, Mecha Phantom Beast Hamstret, Christian, and Harpie Channeler. That is awesome right here. This is awesome. Well, thanks for watching, guys. My booster box opening. I'm going to have another one later of my brother opening his box up. Watch him get, like, Madolce Hoot Cake and freaking Draco Sack and Spellbook of Judgment. I'm going to be so mad if he does. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Comment, like, subscribe for more Yu-Gi-Oh videos, and I will see you guys on the flip side.